For your very own copy of this workout, click the link in the description below. There you'll also find quick links to every single exercise that you may have a question about from that workout. Hi, welcome to E3 Strength. My name is Earl, and today we're going over a great, brand new bodyweight workout that you can use at home to burn that stubborn, unwanted body fat and add lean muscle to help you keep it off. Our warm-up is going to work on your hips and your shoulders. You're doing shoulder circles and hip internal and external rotation. Your shoulder circles look a little like this. You're going to lead with your thumb in reverse. Once you've done both in reverse, you're going forward, leading with your pinky. Pretty easy. Internal and external rotation for the hips. Knee up, externally rotate, internally rotate, and then repeat on your other side. Up, out, in, down. It helps if you say that in your head. We're gonna get into your first pair of exercises. It's gonna be a bridge with leg extensions and a single leg deadlift. Don't worry when we say deadlift, it's gonna be body weight. So for your bridge, you're gonna be bridging up and doing an extension. Down, up, extend. So for every one rep, you're getting 2 bridges and 2 extensions. Once you're done your single leg deadlift, and I'm gonna show you my profile so you can see what to do and what not to do. So if I ask you to do a single leg deadlift, and some of you have done it before, I'm gonna see a little bit of this. Well, obviously you're extending your back and you're rounding. It's not safe on your lower back. What I want you guys to try to do, lead with your heel and try to make a straight line from the back of your head to the back of the heel that's moving. And in doing so, you're working the planted leg. So I feel a stretch in that hamstring, and my glute's gonna bring me back to neutral. You'll do that 10 times per side. Your next giant set of exercises is gonna be a Cossack Squat with a 5-second hold. So for every time that you do this, we're hoping that you're gonna get a little bit lower and a little bit more hip mobility. So for the Cossack Squat, if you remember, rotate your toe up, drive down as low as you can. Once you get to the bottom of your range of motion, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's only a half. You gotta do it on the other side. Back down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then back to neutral. From this exercise, we're going into 2 floor exercises starting face down. Your Reverse Snow Angel is going to be for your back muscles. You're squeezing your elbows into your lats, keeping a big angle at the elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then release. We didn't note a 5-second count, so you don't have to do it, but believe me, it helps to lock in those muscles so you can really feel your back working. Your offset push-up, we recommend having one hand out wide and your other hand up high. And this is going to throw off everything so that you're working different muscles than you're used to. Just like any other push-up though, we ask that you drive your elbows back toward your lats, taking your shoulders out of the equation. Now no matter how you do this, you're gonna have some shoulder activity, but keeping the elbows back eliminates a lot of torque in those muscles. Your last set of exercises starts with a Plyo mountain climber. The difference between this and a traditional mountain climber is you're gonna have both feet land at the same time. So, kind of like you're jumping and landing. So it's a little more up and down, but you're trying to keep the hips low, keep the abs engaged. Go directly into your plank up down from there, going from the forearms to the hands for reps. Your last 2 exercises are the right and left side of an oblique crunch. To get in the oblique crunch position, get it like a traditional crunch, drop your hips to one side. So if I drop my hips to the right, I'm working my left oblique. And you're just crunching as high as you can without wrenching on your neck. Once you're done with that, switch to your other side, and you'll have completed the last 4 of your exercises. However, you still got that finisher to do. It's gonna be a frog plank. Your frog plank is gonna start in a traditional plank position. You're gonna be hopping in and out. You're doing this as fast as you possibly can for 45 seconds. That's gonna burn a lot of calories and really wear you out and end this workout on a high note. We hope this workout's been helpful. If it has, please give us a like, a comment, or a share, and let us know how we can help you guys in the future. Thanks.